Well, welcome to day 7, which is the final day of the summer organizing challenge. I am enjoying just seeing some of the things you have accomplished, and of course, some of the things you're going to continue to tackle, not only during this summer, but also the rest of the year. But today, I wanted to just talk about your time and how you can make the most of it. Now, a lot of you who have followed me probably already know that one of the things that I share is that if you just take 15 minutes of planning the night before, you can save yourself an hour the next day, 15 minutes. And that is really preparing yourself in order to, get ready for your next day, laying your clothes out. What snacks or lunch are you going to take? And what do you need to put in your tote, your pocketbook, or your bag? And also having a place for your shoes and your keys so you can have a smooth morning routine. But also, if you spend at least an hour in planning, and that could be for your organizing projects to just your week, you can actually save yourself 3 to 4 in execution. And one of the things that I do, and a lot of you already know this, is I have a planning session with Janet each and every week where I sit down because my work schedule is a little bit more flexible than others who may work a standard shift. I always make sure that I know what my work hours are, making sure that I also allow time for prep before meetings, things I have to do after a meeting, also travel time. Once I've laid that out, then I start adding the things that I need to do: the laundry, the grocery shopping, the cleaning. And that allows me to actually truly live an organized life without feeling overwhelmed, without feeling like things are slipping through the cracks. But also, something that I do is, one, I have a digital calendar. Yes, right, a digital calendar, because people have access and they can schedule appointments with me. But in that, I found that the digital calendar is great for letting me know where I need to be. But what about all the things that I need to do sometime? And that is why I went back to a planner. It allows me to list the things that I want to do throughout the day so that I can stay focused on what I need to do. And also, what helps me manage my time is I'm very visual. So therefore, I have, a whiteboard, I have a flip chart, I have all of those tools that help me not only stay focused on what I'm doing, but also help me actually better manage my time and better manage my life. So, my suggestion to you is to maybe plan the night before, and it doesn't necessarily have to take 15 minutes. Just do some planning and see how you feel the next morning. Number 2, at least once a week, just schedule what your coming week is going to look like so you'll know how to navigate it. And of course, use the tools that you already have. You may already have a Google Calendar. You may already have a calendar in one of your devices. Use that to really help you stay on top of things. And I would also ask you to take it a step further and maybe color code it so you'll know what work hours look like, but also those fun times as well. So I have hope you have enjoyed this summer organizing challenge. So continue to have a great day.